So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the Google Trends is not showing you the data of past 24 hours for any country or for anything. Now, for example, if I select right there worldwide and if I select the data for past day, uh, it might not show me the data. Here you can see the page goes all blank because it does not sync the data on the or it does not real time sync the data. Now in order to fix that, just simply click on this option of trending now on the top right corner. Now once you do that, here you can see under this section, just simply select the country. For example, if I select the United States right there, and here I can select the past 24 hour as well, and I can check all the real time data that is of past 24 hours that is in being trending all over the United States or any country that you want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.